Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to EVS class. In today's EVS class, we shall work with the book All About Me. In the book All About Me, open page number 27, where we have an activity to find and mark the words from the list below using a color pencil. Here we have few stages of life's name: infancy, childhood, adulthood, middle age and old age. In this word grid, we have to search these words. One has been already marked for us. Children, you can use the color pencil to mark further. I'll do one or two for you. Here is the next stage, that is middle age. And still we have to find some more. Infancy. I have marked middle age and infancy. Childhood has been already marked for you. You have to search adulthood and old age. Hope you will continue the activity. Let us move on to the next one. We have to draw the path and help the girl reach her grandparents. We have a maze here. We have to help out the girl to reach her grandparents by showing her the right path, where we should not get any obstacles in between. This is the way in which girl can reach her grandparents. After completing this activity, let us move on to the page number 28. Where we have an activity to circle the different picture in each row. We have to observe and circle the different picture. In the first row, the three babies were moving towards one direction and the third baby is moving in different directions. So we shall circle the third baby. In the second row, the boy is playing with his toy. These three pictures are towards one direction and this picture is towards opposite direction. So we shall circle it. In the third row, a man is raising his left hand in first three pictures. And in the fourth picture, he is raising his right hand. So it is different from other three. Circle it. In the same way, continue the activity. Let us move on to the next activity, where we have to circle the first stage of life and tick the last stage of life and color the pictures given below. This is the first stage of life, that is infancy, and the last stage of life is old age. Color the picture after doing the circling and ticking activity. After completing this, we have a story here to read. I'll read the story for you children. Alia's beach visit. The name of the story is, or the title of the story is, Alia's beach visit. Alia is a girl with black hair and brown eyes. One day, her mother took Alia to the beach. They sat on a mat and ate a few biscuits. They put the wrappers in a dry waste bin. Then they went for a walk on the beach. They saw many kites flying around. Alia felt happy. When they went home, there was a dress, you can also call it as new dress, on her bed. She was happy. Alia had a bath to wash off the sand from the beach and put on her new dress. Looked neat and clean. Dear parents, kindly help your child to read the story. After completing the reading work, in page number 30, we have an activity to tick the activities done with friends and circle the activities done without friends. Here, few activities are given. Children moving in their school bus with their friends. This is the activity done with the friends. Playing football in the ground. We play football with our friends. Playing some indoor games with friends. Playing one more indoor game with friends. Tick them. Sleeping alone. Even without friends, we can sleep. So, circle it. Having food with family members. Here we don't need friends. So, circle this picture. Now let us move on to the last activity. Circle the internal body parts and tick the external body parts. This is the repeated activity which we have already done. Circle the internal body parts. The intestine, liver, lungs, kidney, bone and heart. These are the internal body parts. Feet, nail, hand. These are the external body parts. Dear parents, kindly help your child to understand and complete the activities sent. Here we have one more activity to do in page number 31. We have a family tree here. You can paste the pictures of your family members which has been instructed here. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete this activity. Thank you.